Hi dudes, welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you ready to embark on a journey through the world of modern bedroom elegance? We're thrilled to present our latest collection of cutting-edge bed backside designs and ideas that will transform your sleeping space into a realm of contemporary luxury. Modern bedroom bed backside design holds pivotal importance in home decor, seamlessly blending aesthetics with functionality. It serves as a focal point, reflecting personal style while enhancing the overall ambience. Innovative designs optimize space, offering storage solutions and integrated features that contribute to both luxury and convenience. This design element not only elevates the bedroom, but also harmonizes with the broader interior design, creating a holistic and visually appealing living space. Absolutely. Here are some modern bed backside design ideas that incorporate contemporary aesthetics and functionality. Floating wood delight. Install a sleek, floating wooden bed backside that exudes modernity and creates an illusion of space while offering convenient storage solutions. LED-lit urban chic. Opt for a bed backside with integrated LED lighting that casts a soft, ambient glow, adding a touch of urban chic and creating a cozy atmosphere. Geometric artistry. Choose a bed backside adorned with geometric patterns or asymmetrical shapes, creating a dynamic visual appeal that's both modern and captivating. Textured accent wall. Create depth and texture with a bed backside that features textured panels or materials like padded fabric, adding a tactile element to your bedroom. Minimalist metal marble. Embrace the minimalist trend with a metal bed backside that's clean-lined and uncluttered, effortlessly elevating your bedroom's contemporary charm. Multifunctional marble. Select a bed backside design that incorporates shelves, built-in side tables, or even a desk, making the most of your space while maintaining a modern look. Abstract art backdrop. Commission an abstract art piece as your bed backside, infusing your room with artistic flair and a sense of individuality in a thoroughly modern way. Monochromatic elegance. Opt for a bed backside in a single, bold color, making a statement with its simplicity and emphasizing the clean lines of modern design. Nature-inspired panels. Install a bed backside featuring nature-inspired elements, such as a large-scale floral motif or a serene landscape, bringing the outdoors into your modern haven. Acoustic fabric panels. Incorporate fabric panels on your bed backside that serve an acoustic purpose, not only enhancing the aesthetic but also contributing to a serene sleep environment. Mirrored illusion. Choose a bed backside with mirrored panels that not only create the illusion of more space, but also add a touch of glamour and contemporary allure. Rustic modern fusion. Combine rustic materials like reclaimed wood with sleek modern lines for a bed backside that beautifully marries two distinct design styles. High-tech integration. Integrate technology by having a bed backside with hidden compartments for charging devices, speakers, or even a retractable TV for a cutting-edge feel. Layered dimensionality. Create depth with a layered bed backside design, using different materials like wood, metal, or glass to add visual interest and a modern edge. Color grading bliss. Experiment with a color gradient bed backside, transitioning from one shade to another for a modern and artistic focal point in your bedroom. Remember, the key to a successful modern bed backside design is to ensure it complements the overall aesthetics of your bedroom and aligns with your personal style preferences. Hi dudes, welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you ready
Before
to
you
embark on
go,
a journey
dear
through the
viewers,
world of
don't
modern
forget to
bedroom
show your
elegance?
support by
We're
hitting that
thrilled
like
to present
button,
our latest
sharing this
collection
video
of
with friends and
cutting-edge bed
family, and
backside
of course,
designs and ideas
subscribing to our
that will
channel for more
transform your
exciting
sleeping
content.
space into a realm of
Your
contemporary
engagement fuels
luxury.
our
Modern
passion to
bedroom
keep
bed
creating,
backside
so
design
thank
holds
you, and
pivotal
remember,
importance in home decor,
don't forget to like,
seamlessly
share,
blending
and
aesthetics with
subscribe.
functionality. It